Hi, my name is Ryan, and I work in support here at Relic. Today we'll be walking through the chart builder. So that will allow you to take data from your applications and query it using New Relic's query language, NRQL. Or if you don't know NRQL, there's a basic mode where we can extract data as well. So let's dive right in. From the New Relic 1 homepage up on the right, we'll see Chart Anything, so we're going to click into there. From there, we're taken to what looks like just a standard New Relic query language input box. And that's what it is. I already have a query written, so I'm going to paste that in. What we're saying here is that we are looking for the average duration from our transaction event type for the web portal application over the last hour, faceted by the host. So that's going to pull out the data per host for this application, but we're limiting it to 3. I know that this application is reporting from many different hosts, and that chart can look a little overwhelming. So we're going to limit it to 3 so that it's a little easier to understand. And time series will just make it a chart rather than an individual single value. So let's run that and see what we get. Okay, so we can see our 3 hosts, our 3 IP addresses down here, all of the data, the average duration for that application over the last hour for each of those hosts. Let's switch to basic mode. So here we don't need to know New Relic's query language. We can chart for our APM response time. Let's get the average. We can narrow the results to the application web portal. We can facet by the host. We can limit it to 3, and we can look at 60 minutes. So there is the same data, the exact same that we were building within Oracle Query, built without knowing New Relic's query language. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of the chart builder. Feel free to comment below with your thoughts, what queries you're using, and don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in this series.